Hi, to activate and deactivate Clipboard on Xiaomi 13, first of all, we will need to open any app or just app drawer to find and open keyboard. I'm gonna just open drawer and here is my keyboard. So, now we need to find the Clipboard icon, which looks like that. This list is icon for the clipboard. Just tap it and first thing you can see is the switcher for turning on and off clipboard. Let's turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and here you can see this recent tab, so everything you copied before will be displayed in this recent tab. Also, you can check some tips right here, and we can tap this pen icon. Here we can delete some of the items, or we can tap on the plus and add new item to the clipboard, and after that we can also pin it. Let's add, for example, this emoji. I'm gonna save it and now it is pinned. You can select it and it would be immediately pasted to your keyboard right here. Also, we can hold this tab, we can unpin, we can paste it again, and we can delete it if we just tap it. If you would like to just paste something from the recents, you will need to simply tap this section and here it is. And if you would like to check those tips, you can also tap on them and here it would be pasted as well. To disable clipboard, you will need to simply tap on the switcher and now it is disabled. And also you can use this arrow to go back, and as I said before, to trigger clipboard each time you would need to tap this list icon and check it right here. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.